They are pole swapping today, people. I dropped my down toothpick. Darn it. Well, if you can see that says 61.5 miles. This is 4 laps. So 4 laps today, and I'm here, and I'm 61.5 miles. So by the time I get back to Ozark, it's 15 on top of that. Let's say 65, 75, 80. Wow. It's been a while since I've done 4 laps. So 4 laps is going to put me close to the 80s. I can't do math. I can't count. I got one hand and I got to hold the camera. But I can do from 60, 65, 70, 75. Now that sounds more like it. 75. And that's not counting the piece and the little piece of length getting back. Maybe add up to another 2 miles. I don't know. We'll see. But let me just explain this. I took a whole week off. I know it was hard for me to do. I mean, but my body told me I needed to, and I went really hard getting these, the 3 laps, the 62 miles, and so now I'm bumping it up 1 lap more, and I'm gonna see how many I can do without hurting myself. This is where I'm at. I can't go below 3, but I'm going to try to get 4 laps, which would be pushing right at 75 miles a day. I'm going to try to string. I don't know if I can string one together tomorrow. It's kind of like a rainy day, so we'll see. But as soon as it gets where I got 3 days in a row, I'm going to try to string 3 days of 75s in a row and see how that makes my body feel. But I'm a big proponent in resting when your body tells you to, and I'm good at resting. I stirred up a lot of mess on the internet while I'm doing nothing and resting and talking about that internet, man. I'm telling you, some of these down the way they see the mainstream media is just ridiculous. This deal with these tankers is just so obvious that it's contrived, it's made up, it's false flag, it's whatever you want to call it. Somebody's going to get paid off and already got paid off, and then they'll get killed because they can't talk. So enjoy your money while you got it. Ever who y'all conspirators are trying to get us into Third World War again. This thing with Iran is a loop. It's just one big old loop. We'll see how it turns out, but I'd just tell you right now, just in case it goes bad, I'd get a bunch of water. It takes a lot of water for a family to live. If you don't have no water, in case it does go bad. You got to have water, you got to have food. You need the kind of food that will last. If you haven't really prepared for it, it might be something that you can start this time and try to get you 2 weeks. If you can get 2 weeks pretty good, and 2 weeks from now nothing happens, you just got 2 weeks of food. But if anything goes stupid crazy, the grocery stores are going to be flooded, and they're going to take all the food off of the shelves. So while you got a chance and you see this thing, you feel it, go ahead and stock up, get you a couple months if you can. It's hard to tell you what to do because I'm not a prepper. I can't tell you what kind of foods to buy. But Laura has got a really good understanding of this. But the Church of Latter-day Saints, on their website, they got how to prepare for grid down, gone crazy nuclear war system shut down. So you can go to their Latter-day Saints. They're preppers from way back. All right, that's all I want to talk about. I got to get my ass back to Ozark. I'm starting to feel a little bit of tiredness creeping in. Well, they're starting to frame in his barn that got hurt during that tornado. You can't see because the thing's in his way, but they're siding in his house, putting siding on. And he's got it going his way. This is the place where the horse was limping in the field. And now the horse is not limping. He's having a happy days. All right, thought I'd show you this.